Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start with the Australian dollar, and you'll probably notice all the way through this webinar, is the fact that the US dollar case is extremely oversold and has put all the currencies against that pair in over extreme high and low territories to the RSI and also to the stochastic. With the Australian dollar, the RSI is extremely overbought, and I do expect to see any challenges towards 55 to foul. We did get a high overnight of 45, so I do expect to see from the rejection to look back towards 77.90 and reassess from there. Any advances should give good selling opportunity for those that are looking to get short against the US dollar. Also with the euro looking back up towards the top side of the range from last year around 121, I do expect to see the market foul and look towards the downside with the initial support coming in at 119.80.85. You can see here from the RSI that we are extremely overbought. So therefore I do expect to see a retreat from the top side of the range. The dollar yen case is breaking down and now looking towards the support region of 111.90 with the support firmly beneath at 111.50. Any advances on the day should find a good supply from 112.60. Well, the Great British Pound is also looking towards the top side of the range, and as you noticed, is extremely overbought, as like the other currencies. Therefore, I do expect to see the market retreat from the 136 region and look back to the downside, coming in at 135.20 and reassess from there. For those that are trading gold, I do advise to start looking to take some profit due to the fact is that we're extremely overbought and could see a rejection from the 1,320 region. Therefore, we could be looking back towards the 1,309 in the coming session. Oil also gives a question of can it sustain its rally after the break above 59. Now looks towards 62, but the RSI is not, and also stochastic is not fully supportive of this move. Therefore, we could see a retreat from the current levels and look back to 59.5. And to wrap up with silver, well, the market has reached its target of $17.30, and I am at this point looking for a correction back to the downside. We are extremely overbought, and you can see here from the recent challenges towards this level did foul, and we may do so again, with the initial support still holding at 116.80. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.